It is ThredUP Thursday, and that means we are going to open a ThredUP rescue box. Today, we are going to be opening the designer box, which is one of my favorite. But make sure you stay tuned until the end because I am going to be doing a giveaway in today's video. I reached 750 subscribers yesterday, and so it's time to do another giveaway. I love giving stuff away. I did a fun box giveaway when I hit 500. So I'm at 750. I feel like it's time for another giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll talk about what I'm giving away and kind of the rules for entering, and we will get you guys entered to win something super awesome. Okay, so today's ThredUP designer box came to us from Swanee, Georgia. I did not cut the tape this time, so I'm using my old box cutter, which is like on its last leg here, to untape this one. Here's the receipt, and it's got a lot of tape on it, so it's gonna take me just a second. Sorry, I usually cut these before I start filming. For those of you that are new here, my name is Christina. I'm a part-time reseller. So all of the content that I provide on this channel is from a part-time perspective. I do a lot of unboxings on this channel and talk about kind of what sold. I do some rehab videos from time to time. So thanks for joining me. If you are returning, I appreciate it. We have a lot of fun here. Okay, so I got the box open. I'll show you the sealed tissue in a minute. I feel like Georgia does a really good job of sealing the tissue. This one was ordered on June 26th, so I think this was like in the last batch I ordered right before they started tacking on the shipping. And this is the DIY designer box, 7 items, $140 plus tax. And DIY means, oh, I didn't show you guys the top. There you go. And DIY means there could be something pretty wrong with it. So usually it requires some patience and some fix-up on these items. Okay, let me give you a peek off the top. Looks like we've got maybe some sort of blazer. Looks like maybe a pair of sunglasses, but then I don't know if y'all can see right here, it looks like a sunglasses case. So did we get 2 pairs of sunglasses in here? Not sure totally how I feel about that. Okay, but we'll see what we got. So to start off with, here is the kind of suit top or blazer. I didn't realize it was short sleeve, but that's pretty cool. It's in like the perfect color for fall. I love that. It doesn't look like there's any sort of buttons, so I think maybe you just wear it over something. And this is, the tag is a little torn, but I can tack that down. This is an Oscar de la Renta. Let me quickly see if I see a size. It looks kind of small. Okay, here's a tag. It is a size 8. Made in the US. I was also going to look for materials. I don't see materials, but I'm going to show you guys the tag on this. I think this might be a vintage piece. Like it talks about the union, and the tags kind of look older. So I think that's really neat. Sometimes these designer pieces, when they're vintage, can do really, really well. And it looks like it's in great shape. I didn't see any issues in the lining. I don't see any staining, so I think that is really awesome. I will have to comp that out and decide if that's something that I'm going to sell myself on either Poshmark or eBay, or if it's something that I'm going to send into the Real, which they are, for those of you that watched my Real video, they are still processing that huge box of stuff I sent in. A couple of items have gone live and a couple have pricing, but as soon as all the pricing loads in, I will record kind of a follow-up and we'll go through what they accepted and what they sent back and why. Which right now, knock on wood, they've only like not accepted 3 items. So, okay, I'm going to open this bubble wrapped pair of sunglasses since it's right on top. They look to be a white frame. right there. Look how pretty that is. And I do see, does it say it on that side? Oh, it does. I didn't see it from the light. You guys see that? Bulgari. I have sold one of these wallets before that I actually got that was Nuba tags in a fun box. That was an amazing flip. And it does have a number in here, so hopefully I can look it up and find the name of this style. There is some pretty significant, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's so hard. There's several kind of nicks in the lens. I don't know, you can't really see. About 3 of them. And then just light scratching, but they're not in terrible condition. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the case out because I did see that the case actually does match the sunglasses. So that's interesting to me that they sent the sunglasses bubble wrapped and then included the empty case with the dust cloth. So I think that's, I've never seen them do that before. The case is in great shape. I don't know how much these sunglasses go for, so I'll have to look those up. But I think that's awesome because they do have some scratching. Those will be ones I'll be selling myself. Let me show you the next peek. I have a guess on what these 2 brands are that are in here. So we'll see if I'm right. Okay, got this. Oh, this is very heavy. Got a really pretty black dress. It's got a zip front all the way down. Look at that waist. Ooh, that looks nice. It's got this beautiful tailored waist. Okay, and then you've got the pleats and you've got kind of the flare skirt. And let's see, in the back, wait a minute, how does this go? Okay, it kind of folds. It confused me for a second. The back here has this pop of blue. This is what was confusing me because I thought, is this twisted? It is, but it's meant to be twisted. It's twisted here, and then it comes down to the back of the dress. This is beautiful. I wish you guys could feel how like nice this is. You can definitely tell the quality. Okay, so let's look at the brand. I was wrong. I thought it was maybe a Narcisco Rodriguez, but it is Opening Ceremony, and this is in a size medium. I don't see, I'm just going to open this all the way just to see if I see any issues on the inside. But this seems like it's in great shape. Can I show you guys the lining? You always have to check. I am the worst at when I send stuff into the Real, forgetting to turn it inside out for staining and rips. I'm having a piece sent back because of that. I usually just fix it up and send it right back to them, but I've got to try to remember to do that. There's a pro tip right there. This is 70% polyester, and the lining is 100% rayon. So we've got that piece, and like I said, it looks like it's in really good shape. Okay, so my guess on this next piece is that it's a St. John skirt. We'll see if I'm right. It's kind of that classic sweater knit is what I call it. Yes. The St. John, which is great. I've definitely gotten a skirt very similar to this before. Let's see if I can find the size on this. I don't see any pulls, which is great. So that's good that it's in good condition. I don't see the tag, so I don't know the sizing on this. Typically what I will do is I will do some measurements on this and compare it to other pieces that are similar to figure out the approximate size. So that is good. Let me give you a peek at the bottom of the box. We've got 3 pairs of shoes. No bags in this one, y'all, which is sad. I love when I get a bag. Okay, we'll go with this pair first. We have a pair of suede. Ooh, these look like they're in rough condition. We have a pair of suede, kind of with a low heel, Marc Jacobs. The sticker says 8.5. The official size is here on the back at a 39. So that's about right. And then it's got this gold chain detail. I'm gonna have to do a brushing on the suede to see how much damage there actually is. I don't know if you guys can see. Suede always looks really bad on camera, but this does look pretty worn in spots. The toe is actually not terrible, but you do have some kind of bending up of the toe here. Although it's not too bad. So that one looks all right. And these may also be, they're definitely older. I don't know if they're vintage or not. I'll have to try to Google Lens and figure that out. Here's this one. You got the chain attached, which is great. Would imagine that would be something maybe that could be an issue, would be this breaking off, because it's just attached by this little piece of leather here. But they both look in good shape, so that's good. This one we do have a problem on the toe. You can see that the sole is kind of missing right there. And then there's a lot of damage to that suede. They probably messed up the sole, and then any additional walking they did messed up the suede. So those I will have to list myself and just note they're an as-is purchase. Okay, next we have a pair of kind of a small platform heel, sling back heel. These look to be in some sort of maybe reptile print, or I guess it could be a real actual reptile skin. I don't know. These are a Stuart Weitzman right there. They do seem like they're a little bit of a smaller shoe. Let's see if I can find a size. They are a 6.5 medium. It's pretty worn, but it's right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of worn off. Overall, though, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of damage at the toe here. And then the elastic here that's holding this into place is pretty stretched. The taps look good, though. Somebody put some like anti-skid stuff on here that's peeling off. And just kind of the same issue on this one with that stretch kind of being worn. And then the same thing here, the damage to the toe. So as far as shoes, these are not necessarily the best two pairs of shoes to get in this box. So let's hope the next one's good. They look good so far. We have a, yes, that's what I was hoping for. I was like, these better not be a lookalike. We have a pair of boots, and these are Valentino. Valentino is known for kind of this stud work on their shoes, so that's what I was hoping that's what these were. The taps do have a little bit of wear, and there is kind of a nick in the leather here, which is sad because overall these are in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of wear to the toe. Let's see if I can find the size. Oh, it is on back here. 38.5. So these are going to probably be about a size 8, or maybe even a 7.5, depending on how small these run. Those are beautiful. Also, perfect for the fall season that's coming up. Oh, these are so... You guys, what did this person do to these heels? Look at that. Ugh. That is just, that's bad. So probably what I'm going to have to do with this is just tack down the leather that I can. And then I'm going to have to sell them on my own as is. And just note, kind of tack that down here with some shoe bond or leather glue. And then just note that these need to be fixed. Which a good cobbler can do something about this. They could maybe rewrap the heel. It would look a little bit different. But I can't, this is not something that I can fix. I will just tack it down the best I can and list it as is. Someone must have really stepped in something to mess up these heels so bad. And then again, you just have that slight wear on the toe, not too bad. Oh, these are so pretty. Well, that was a pretty good box. I mean, I'm always hoping for a bag, so no bag. We got 3 pairs of shoes. We got the Valentino. We got the potentially vintage Marc Jacobs suede shoes. The Stuart Weitzman. We then got the Bulgari sunglasses with the case. We got the St. John knit skirt. The opening ceremony, really nice black dress, and then what looks to be, to me at least, a vintage Oscar de la Renta blazer. So overall, I think a good box. I definitely should be able to make a little bit of money on this box. Unfortunately, probably most of this I will have to list myself. I love when it's just something I can ship off to the Real. It makes it really easy on me, but that's okay. This is what happens. You take a risk on some of these boxes, and this one will pay off. I know that these Valentino shoes, even with this terrible damage, these will do just fine. They're perfect for the upcoming season. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so now let's talk about the giveaway. All right, so I've hit 750 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It's awesome to have my channel growing like this and have you guys tuning in and joining me kind of on, all this craziness with reselling, right? It gets kind of lonely sometimes. So I love having this community that I can talk to and show you all my unboxings and kind of what I'm fixing up and what I'm selling. Okay, so to celebrate, I'm going to do a giveaway. I am going to give away a ThredUP 15-piece mixed piece jewelry box. So the 15-piece jewelry box from ThredUP. It is one that I ordered a few months ago. I have it still sitting here. I haven't opened it. So that is what I'm going to throw in for the giveaway. So the only thing that you have to do to enter is you have to be subscribed to the channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you go in and do that. You have to give the video a thumbs up and then just comment below. And then I will go through and check those things and then pull from the comments. You will have until Wednesday of next week, which is going to be the 6th, until midnight Central Standard Time. That's when it'll close, and to enter. So I will do a randomizer that will pull the name, and then I will reply back to your comment in this video's comment thread and let you know you won, and you can send me an email. I will get your shipping address. I will cover the shipping charges, so you don't have to pay anything. It is completely free, and YouTube is not in any way associated with this giveaway. I have to say that per all the rules. So anyways, make sure to enter, subscribe, like, comment. That's all you have to do. We will pick a winner next week, and I hope whoever wins will share with me what they got in the mixed jewelry box. And also make sure that you tune in on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm going to be hosting a ThredUP scarf box collab with 6 other YouTubers. We're going to kick it off here on this channel, and then we will hop from channel to channel. We're going to be setting our videos as premieres, which means that even though they are pre-recorded videos, that you all can chat with us live and we can talk about all the boxes that we're opening and the pieces that we're getting. It's the perfect kickoff to fall. And so don't miss that. That will be happening on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Standard Time on my channel. And then Kristen D on Kristen D Another Chance Resell will be following me after that. All right. See y'all then. Bye.